Hello students, good morning. Dear students, class 9th, the students who belong to CBSE and RBSE English medium schools. Today we will discuss about your topic voice. This topic is on progress, and in this topic we will study prepositional sentences. Prepositional sentences means the sentences in them you will use another preposition than by. Means to say, dear students, first rule is change the object into the subject. It will be as it is. And the second rule is write the helping verb according to the tense. And third rule is you have to write past participle, means third form of the main verb in passive voice. But dear students, the fourth rule is use by, then change the subject into the object. This is the rule number 4th. But in this class, in today's session, we will discuss about this rule. Means to say, we use another preposition in place of by. Means to say, we use by plus object, change the subject into the object in the rule number 4. But today there are so many verbs that takes another preposition than by. First is marry, M-A-R-R-Y, and second is know, K-N-O-W. If you find marry or know in a sentence of active voice, then in passive voice you will use two preposition. You will use two preposition, not by. Okay. Second is attract, A-T-T-R-A-C-T. Attract, you will use with preposition. Attract, you will use with preposition. Surprise, amaze, astonish. If you find these verbs, then you will use in preposition, at preposition. And if you get interest, you will use in preposition. Okay dears, this is your rule. You have to know here, I will tell you in Hindi. I will tell you in Hindi कि हम किस प्रकार से इनको चेंज करते हैं, कैसे हम यूज लेते हैं. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आपका टॉपिक वॉइस, और वॉइस में आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं प्रीपोजिशनल सेंटेंसेस. प्रीपोजिशनल सेंटेंस वो होते हैं जिनमें ध्यान रखना है कि पहला नियम कर्म को कर्ता बनाते हैं, पैसिव वॉइस चेंज करते हैं जब. दूसरा नियम क्या है, टेंस के अनुसार सहायक क्रिया का प्रयोग करते हैं. तीसरा नियम क्या है कि हम पास्ट पार्टिसिपल माने मुख्य क्रिया की थर्ड फॉर्म का प्रयोग करते हैं. और चौथा नियम क्या है, बाई लगा करके, मैंने आपको नियम में लिखवाया था बाई यानी कि प्रपोजिशन लगा करके, और ब्रैकेट में लिखवाया था मोस्टली बाई. ज़्यादातर बाई का प्रयोग करते हैं, लेकिन आपको ध्यान रखना है प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, चौथे नियम में यदि आपको एक्टिव वॉइस में मैरी या नो ये क्रियाएं आती हैं तो आप बाय नहीं लगाओगे, क्या लगाओगे, टू. अट्रैक्ट आता है तो क्या लगाओगे, विद, बाय नहीं लगाओगे. सरप्राइज या अमेज या एस्टोनिश आता है तो क्या लगाओगे, एट लगाओगे. इंटरेस्ट आता है तो क्या लगाओगे, इन लगाओगे, बाय प्रपोजिशन नहीं लगाओगे. इसीलिए अब यहाँ हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स लेते हैं, कुछ उदाहरण यहाँ लेते हैं. ओके डियर्स, Examples are, first example of active voice is, first verb is given here marry, means Ram married Sita. This is your sentence, and if you want to change it into passive voice, you have to know the four of the rules that I have taught you. I taught these rules in previous classes when I started active and passive. Then I told you, first rule is change the object into the subject and begin the passive voice. Second rule is you have to write the helping verbs according to the tense, and third rule is always use past participle, means third form of the main verb, and fourth rule is use preposition mostly by, then change subject into the object. Here subject and verb and object. You have to change the object into the subject. What is the object here? Object is Sita. You will write Sita. First rule has been completed. Second rule is you have to write the helping verb according to the tense. But here any helping verb is not given in active voice sentence, then look at the main verb. If there is the first form of the main verb, use is or am. There is second form of the main verb, use was were. Sita was, because third form is given here. Okay, you will write married, means married, and first form is marry. First form, second form and third form. Second and third form are the same, but this is known second form and this is known third form. Why? What is the reason that we know second form in active voice sentence and this is the third form in passive voice sentence? Because in passive voice we always use third form of the main verb, but in active voice we use only first and second form of the main verb after the subject, just after the subject, if there is any helping verb not given in the sentence. Okay dears, Sita was married. Third rules has been completed here. Fourth rule is use preposition, means mostly by preposition. But dear students, here you will not use by, because marry means married, verb given here. Okay, you will use to preposition, write to and change the subject into the object. What is the subject? Ram, and object will be Ram. Okay. Example second, active voice. I know you. This is your active voice sentence. If you want to change it into passive voice, first of all you have to know the subject, and here there is verb, and here the object. First rule is change the object into the subject. Object is you, subject will be you. You indicates both the subject and the object. Here you tells us, or here you is in the form of object, and here you is in the form of subject. You, any helping verb is not given here, so you will look at the main verb, and first form of the main verb is given here, then write is or am, and with subject you will use are, you are. Both rules have been completed. Third rule is write the third form of the main verb. What is the third form of know? Known, K-N-O-W-N, known. You are known. And the fourth rule is use by, then write subject into the object. Means to say by Here we will not use by preposition, we will use to preposition because no is given here. So write to and change I into the object, and what will be the object of I? Me. Okay, dear students, these are your two sentences of active and passive in the rules. Next sentence, next example is in active voice. Her beauty attracted me. Her beauty attracted me. Here the subject is her beauty and the verb is attracted, the second form of the main verb, and object is me. So dear students, in the sentence you have to change the sentence into passive voice. You have to change it into passive voice. Here subject, verb, object. Object is me. So you will change me into I. Helping verb is not given. Second form of the main verb is given. So you will write was were. You will use was with I subject. Third rule is write the third form of the main verb, and attracted you will write because second and third form are the same. And then you will write with preposition, not by, and write her beauty. Write her beauty. Okay, dear students, this is your sentence of active and passive. We will take a sentence of active voice. Please look at the blackboard. Active. English literature interests me. English literature subject, interest verb, and me is the object. Change the object into the subject if you want to change it into passive voice. What is the subject of me? I. Verb is first form, means S or ES. Right is R, am, I am. Third rule is write the third form of the main verb. The third form of interest is interested. And the fourth rule is by plus change the subject into the object. But here interest is given, you will write at. Okay, I am interested in. No, at. In is given, sorry for that. At, if you get surprised, amazed, astonished, you will write at, but here you will write in preposition. I am interested in, and change the subject into the object. In English literature. In English literature. This is your passive and active sentence. Okay, dears, I think and I hope you got all these sentences or this type of sentence, this type of rule. You have to note all the sentences from the blackboard, or you have to copy the sentences by pausing the video, or you may take the screenshot. Okay, dear students, with these words, I finished my class of 9th English medium. I hope you and wish you a bright future. Thank you.